I get it on record now. See what that does. See?
With back flexibility, you will. Do you want to rotate forward? Or you're like, no. It's been a long time since that. So if you're rotating forward, bring your arms up like this. As you come forward and you release the arms, you guys bring the arms back up to the side. You don't have to forward. You're like, I don't know. Yeah, I think so. Maybe let's some tricks serious again. You're pretty close to zero. Huh? You're pretty close to zero. There are some nights where our mechanics start. I'm scared. Are you scared? It's good. I'm doing it. Okay. Do we want to keep working on stuff or do we want to cocoon? What time is it? We've got about 4 minutes. Keep working. Keep working.